Hello! Welcome back to the vlog. I have just came back from Okinawa. I was on a trip with my friend for a week. I didn't vlog it, but I intend to do like short little vlogs on TikTok, but I don't know if I'll get it done. But anyway, today's vlog is very exciting because Dan and I are going to get new computers and we're going to bring you along. I just want to like vlog this experience because we are both very excited. But what the heck, it's raining and I didn't bring umbrella. Dan's gonna chicken out. You are the one who showed me how to buy today. Can you get your shit together?
I can't afford these.
You can.
Shall we? Or the person?
Not the base model. Okay, we're gonna get the person now. Thank you! Salutes! Are you happy?
Happy, but my bank account is crying now.
Okay, I think we are about to go get dinner soon.
What do you want to eat?
Oh yeah, food court lah.
Sure.
After that big purchase, we are just having food court for dinner. I think this might be the first time that we are eating food court together. Dan says he's not sure if he should be proud of it or not.
You know what's cheaper?
What?
McDonald's.
No, McDonald's not cheaper.
$5 meal.
But you're not gonna get $5 meal.
I will.
I won't.
I will.
Okay, fine. Then next time we eat McDonald's.
Later?
Then it's not cheaper already if we eat 2 meals. We're home. We're going to unbox our MacBook. The boxes are here. Oh my god, you're like my dad when he opened the Apple Watch that day. He also taped everything back. Obviously, we are complete opposites, so I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And this is Dan's midnight MacBook. He took a while to decide whether he wanted midnight or sky blue, but I knew deep down he wanted midnight, so I convinced him to get midnight. Wow! Oh. Wow.
I might just use this every time to put in between.
Oh my god.
So
No need lah.
So I'm saving all of these.
See the difference in our personalities. Ni hao. Hello.
Konnichiwa.
Is it really?
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bonjour.
So exciting. The last time I bought a MacBook was in 2017. My previous MacBook was still the butterfly keys one, which I really hated so much because I got that during uni. And so every time I type in lectures, right, then everyone can hear me and then I'll feel very, very bad because it was so noisy. And then I ended up having to get that keyboard, that rubber keyboard protector thingy so that my typing won't be so loud. And I think that ruined the screen. So within like maybe 2 or 3 years, then my screen just sort of like stopped working. So I had to open my MacBook like this to be able to see anything on the screen. And then recently I paid a sum of money to get the screen fixed. But if I leave my laptop on for 4 or 5 hours, then the whole screen will start getting fuzzy again. So I think it's time for a change. But also, I think my dad wants my old laptop because he's still using my very first MacBook from 2013, which is how many years ago? 12 years ago. He's still using it, so I guess MacBook is pretty sturdy. Okay, let's set up our MacBooks first and we'll be back in a sec. Since we have time, I shall show you my Jellycats that I unboxed today also. So I got this pretzel charm. Then I also got this bunny charm. Then I also got the Birthday bear! And this is my little Jellycat corner now. My mum put this on my pillow while I was away. So in the box there's also the power adapter and charging brick. It has two USB-C ports, so I guess you can charge like two devices at the same time. We saw online that there was a different option where you can charge the device faster but only one port, but when we bought it they didn't give us a choice, like they never asked us which one we prefer, so I guess this is just like the standard one. And then it comes with a color coordinated cable, so mine is this like off-whitish color, and Dan's one is midnight color. And we're in! It's all set up now. This is the difference in the thickness. Oh my god, this is thicker than the MacBook Pro. Yeah, it is thicker eh. What in the world? So I paid for my MacBook with installment just because I didn't want to feel the pinch of it immediately. But it's not like I cannot pay at one shot lah, I just didn't want to. But then he decided to pay at one shot, so now he feels very very broke. Right? Actually not bad eh. I put mine in 12 months installment, then each month is only 178 including Apple Care. Now I'm transferring all my files from my previous MacBook to my new MacBook, and I kind of regret it because like, what do you mean I have 134,000 files on my previous MacBook? Meanwhile, Dan is already searching for wallpapers. I'm jealous. I want to be searching for wallpapers also.
You'll be soon. It's almost done.
Dan has left because it's getting late. Actually it's like 12 plus already. But I want to show you this. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I woke up this morning and my dad reached out his hands and was like, I thought you said you're giving me your old Mac. So now I'm gonna give it to him. Let's go! Look at him still using my old MacBook from 12 years ago. Nah.
Thank you.
I don't know how to reset everything,
No.
but I already logged out of my iCloud already. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hello! So today is the 4th day of owning the MacBook Air and I haven't charged it since. It is still at 34% battery. And actually I feel like I've used it quite a lot. Like I've used it to plan my days, I've used it to... basic things like check my emails. I haven't tried to use it to edit any videos yet because I only just downloaded DaVinci Resolve. I haven't go and learn how to use. But because my dad took my previous MacBook and then I don't know what he did and then it crashed, and then he kept asking me to like download things on mine so that he can try to save the other one. So I think that has used up like significant amount of battery. But yeah, other than that, I think the battery life is like pretty good. I'm enjoying it so far. Obviously it's like much faster than my previous Mac because my previous Mac is so old, right? Yeah, but this is so fun. I feel a lot more productive. Like I feel more excited to like open up my laptop and do things now. Oh, and also because the guy at Apple, right, he told us that this Mac is not very suitable like if we want to export big files, like for example like a 20-minute video. He said that's considered a big file, and he actually tried to tell us that a MacBook Pro might be better, but I didn't want to like spend that much money on a laptop, so I thought I would just try for MacBook Air first. So I'm just gonna test it out and we'll see if I can vlog that testing. Okay, so here's another update. I have been trying to edit the MacBook vlog on my new MacBook Air, and I think so far it's working fine. The staff did tell us that the MacBook will be very slow and it will heat up a lot, but I think it's okay. It's not very hot. It's like normal amount of heat. So yeah, I think MacBook Air is like good enough for just like simple editing like this. So I guess this will sum up the MacBook Air vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, enjoyed our unboxing and shared our excitement with us. Okay, bye!